Imo State youth are disappearing every day. No be small thing, no. Everybody pay attention for this kind information wey we wan pass for here. As e dey hot, na so we wan pass am come. They say a place called Tiger Base. This Tiger Base is a police station in Imo State. Once you get to this place, you may not come outside again, and your people will not have access to you. They will not know what happened to you until dan come. Yeah, my wonderful people, we go find out wetin dey happen for Tiger Base. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back for Balaba Gist. If today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We are here today to bring you ogbonge news as e dey hot. Before we jump into this news, we will go right now. Beg, try make you subscribe to this channel and also follow our Facebook page. Don't forget to turn your notification bell for everywhere so that you will get our update back to back as they hot. My wonderful people, this one now the photocopy of SARS in Imo State. We have been getting this information of this Tiger Base for a very long time. They say if you don't enter this Tiger Base, it's under probability say if you come outside though, and money whether they charge for that place no be small money. This thing is happening in Imo State. Are you people tell know that the whole post of them man don't know about this? So guys, if you have been a victim of this particular Tiger Base in Imo State, please send us the information of what happened. Any evidence that you have to provide for us, provide it. This must not happen in Imo State again. If you have become a victim of this particular Tiger Base, tell us what happened and send us the information of what really happened. We are going to investigate your own case. Don't think it will just end here. No. Make sure you forward the information across immediately. You can send it in email or also in messenger here. We'll get it. So guys, Imo State youth are disappearing. This Tiger Base, once they stop you, according to the information we don't get done, they say when they stop you, they get you. Okay, we are going to play this this video for you to watch, and we'll come back and continue.
Ụmụnne m ndị Igbo, ọ dị mkpa na ebubo ndị a na-ebo Tiger Base. Ebubo ndị a na-ebo Tiger Base na Owerri nga na etinyere ya ọnụ ka amara kpọmkwem ihe a ga-eme banyere ebubo a na-ebo ụlọ ọrụ ndị uwe ojii a na-akpọ Tiger Base maọbụ anti-kidnapping. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ enwe na ebubo eboro. Ọbụna dị Senator Ata na-achọ ọrụ nwekwara ebubo eboro Tiger Base bụ nke nọ n'Owerri ebe a mgbe ọ nọ na Arise TV ọkwa ya ka AIT ka ọ nọ ya kwuo na National Television bụ ụlọ ọrụ Tiger Base ebubo na ndị mmadụ na-anwụ ebe ahụ steady. Ndị mmadụ na-anwụ ebe ahụ kwa ụbọchị. Ndị mmadụ na-anwụ na Tiger Base n'ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche a na-eme ebe ahụ. Bụkwa ebubo na ha na-egbukwe ndị mmadụ na sel na Tiger Base ebe a. Ihe uche ebubo a na-ebo ndị Tiger Base ụlọ ọrụ ahụ ndị uwe ojii nke enwere na steeti Imo. Ọtụtụ ndị ekwuole na ihu ndị nọ na Tiger Base na ha pụrụ na mmadụ, na a na-eji Tiger Base arụ ọrụ ọjọọ n'Imo State. Ọ dị ka Tiger Base ọwụ SARS, SARS emelara emela na Tiger Base wụ SARS enwere n'Imo State. Ebubo ndị a niile a na-ebo Tiger Base dị very heavy, and that is why on behalf of Protect the Weak International Foundation, we want to call upon the Inspector General of Police to investigate all these allegations. All these allegations are getting heavy every day. They are coming every day. Now they use Tiger Base arụ ọrụ ọjọọ n'Imo State. Ọchịchị steeti Imo they use Tiger Base arụ ọrụ ọjọọ n'Imo State. So ọ dị mkpa na enyochara ebubo a na-ebo Tiger Base anti-kidnapping squad enwere n'Imo State. Ka hapụ ịdị ka probably a na-ekwu ihe ndị agba nkịtị enweghị onye na-ekwulite. Ọ bụrụ na allegation ka a na-ebo ndị a, si nyocha ya enyocha. Ọmami na-aghọta. Ọ bụrụ na allegation ka a na-ebo ha, si nyocha ya enyocha. Not the very important na enyochara allegation a na-ebo Tiger Base. And enwere mgbe mụ na onye isi ụlọ ọrụ Tiger Base ahụ about these allegations. Even if I'm say I can make interview so that he can come out and clear the air about the operations of the Tiger Base in Imo State. You know, I have really waited for his interview and for his call so that can make interview. I mean, I got about Ganunti. Here I'm sending the around October 8th. Yes, around October 8th. On a voice note, nga a play back. You know, voice note I may play here. So come send the child that voice note. I say happy Sunday, Commander. I am still expecting your response on the voice note sent to you because I send them here. See, listen to this voice note. Probably get back to me with a counter, whatever. You know, if you want to counter it, the voice note you counter it. You know, because I say, good morning, sir. Have you listened to this viral voice note? The allegations are heavy. Yes, and that in October 7, 2023. You know, he didn't reply. He read it and didn't reply. October 8th, man, say, happy Sunday, Commander. I'm still expecting your response on the voice note sent to you. Meanwhile, there is another allegation that your office is arresting young men with tribal marks. Here, him send a WhatsApp message here, October 8th, 2023. Oh, the Tiger Base. Now, I don't mark. You know, maybe tribal mark or anything. You know, I'm Muchiegi. Now, ESN. So, Master, kindly clarify me on these allegations before I put them online, sir. Kindly clarify me on these allegations before I put them online, sir. Thank you for your cooperation. Yeah, same. Okay, my brother, nothing like that. They are blackmailing me. Let me forward another video to you so that people, so that you say that people like, oh, a video or forward them. You know, forward to Charamia. Masi, okay. Masi, all right. Yeah, but I was him not getting number. One honorable like that. You know, the number of the honorable until now. So you have put it now so that our people, that the Protect the Weak International Foundation, we are also concerned about the allegations Eboge Tiger Base. So that all allegation Eboge then somebody must take responsibility. The commissioner for the Inspector General of Police can set up a committee to investigate Tiger Base. Perfect. You know, to investigate Tiger, because we have a lot of allegations flying up and down. Ogu for people, if this thing directly, come out and let us know. Directly, come and let us know so that we put it out there. Camera no allegation can ebo. Man, I am going to play this voice note now. Directly. So agamacho ka unu gagodinte na this voice note before anyagani.
I thank you so much because one when sick I'm voice note. This update in here now, even before now, when I hear me in Imo State, like I was arrested on Sunday night. Hata Giamonye ESN, I'm a member of ESN. So we are telling number, hey, Brani, Gawa Tiger Base. But God is so kind that I is smart enough. He sent the message before Hannah on your phone. My dear brothers and sisters, on one Sunday night, Monday early morning, Mother born that their cell. Monday night, Mother born Tuesday morning, and the worst part of it is that nobody. And where any of your relatives maybe no, I want these people jidegi. I want kata for release. I just send your name to government house. Government house send your name to local government. Local government send your name to your ward, your electoral ward. I can confirm a member of APC before he release Nagi on bail. So these things are happening in Imo State day by day, but many people are not him again. Monday morning, two boys have an arrest from a human ban. According to those guys, they were just going on their way. Now, just net trekking. The police are about bro these two boys. Chicken Namuto, bro, Bubatana. Yeah, you know, I don't know their story. Nobody knows their whereabouts. So on the Tuesday evening, the House of Assembly member Mola Gaziri Ibel from the station. 500,000 each person. Because because actually people my family now make all of that. No more kidnapping. That the people should call now. So Muhammad Aziri, Akwazi ndị niile na na-akpọ 500,000. Agazie to House of Assembly member Mola. Also onye bịara confirm all that I'm a member of APC. He knows very well that I'm not a member of APC. I'm only PDP, but we are friends. So that is the reason why he came. And with the connection of Ndikwe, Hana the APC, I had the number. My brothers and sisters all told me put up from their net. So these people who are now I was there. Somebody I see with the information now cousin they all know here. I join here, the boy. I just lie now. Why the boy is not there? Why did the boy on the station on a praise cell there? So on Wednesday morning, come positive somebody from Ulani. Send this area go. Also, you may go about fuel agenda. Send this area go 2,000 naira. Young about fuel. Ganga do to Lenga one song. Tell the people that they should go to Tiger Base. Oh, Gawano. He insist. Now the boy, I'm with the information. Now the boy not there. So this is how these people have been killing so many people in Owerri here, Imo State generally, because we even the guy could say one day I has on the Karazo. Mba na won de ba water all of us now we ESN. You know, you put your whenever mark na hwani. So because everybody should be very, very careful with this government. The way they are killing boys now, all the too much. Even the way any when he kill for 2-3 days because he can also some branya and the hypocrisy. I don't have nothing like flesh now again, or just like Uguazo. So because everybody should be very, very careful these days. Because thank you. We pray that God will continue to protect us from this evil government. So because everybody should be very, very careful.
Odema dịka anyị siri wee kwuo ihe ndị a ka bụkwa ebubo ka a na-ebo Tiger Base. Video anụ na-emewu for the Inspector General Police to set up an investigative team to look into what is happening in Tiger Base Anti-Kidnapping Squad Unit, Owerri, Imo State Police Command. And again, we are going to send this video as to international communities. We are going to send them to international communities. A kind of allegations in them madunebo. And I want to encourage our people. If you are listening to me and then you have a first-hand information of what has happened to you, or happened to your brother, or happened to your friend, or anybody, your father, your mother, anybody directly related to you, that we can confirm. Tiger Base. Please come forward to me with such information. We need it. We need it. Because and we are fighting for a better society. We are fighting for a better Nigeria. We are fighting for a better Imo State. We will not allow people's human rights to be trampled upon by anybody, no matter how highly placed you think you are. We will not allow it. So if you have genuine information about what is happening or what has happened, in that Tiger Base. Come forward with it. Come forward with it. And we are calling upon the IG of police to investigate this matter. Investigate the issue. Na mmadụ gaa na Tiger Base. Amankwe gị hụ onye nke gị ma agwa gị na mmadụ na ebe ha nọrọzi ebe a. Investigate the matter. Na mmadụ na anwụ ndị a na-anwụ n'ime cell Tiger Base. Ka ebe a na-eli ha. Is a critical question we have to ask. Allegation a na-ebo ndị Tiger Base na mmadụ na-anwụ n'ime cell ebe a. Ndị a na-anwụ ka ebe a na-eli ha. Ha nwekwara grave. Is an allegation that we are looking into to find the truth in it. So you have to share this video. Share it until it gets to every authority questioning again. Share this video. Koga viral. Very, very important. We are also expecting the commander of anti-kidnapping and the Tiger Base to also give us his own part of the story. Give us your own part of the story. Like I've told you people here. So that counter whatever it is that is flying there. So he still has the flaw. He still has the flaw, the opportunity to come up with his own story so that we can do what? Push it out there too. Protect the weak. International Foundation. Udo Derono.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. You don't hear them. So for those of you who need to hear Igbo, let me break it down a little for you. This our brother Nosonkwa don't talk say if you know you get information of this particular Tiger Base, or you don't be the victim, or you don't become their customer once like that, and you check yourself say you don't do anything, and they carry you go there, you survive and come outside, or you get the one where you witness, I beg, may you bring the information, come forward. Because after that now, if you keep quiet, it be like say nobody there for the obodo and things they spoil. So bring your information forward so that there will be a total investigation of what is going on in this Tiger Base. We have been getting this information for a very long time. So since Nosonkwa have taken it up, if you have your own information or you have become their customer, bring the information up so that the investigation will proceed. Our people will not be dying like a fly, and our youth will not be disappearing. And people keep quiet, even those who did not do anything. Even a criminal deserves a justice. Yes, you have to take him to court. If it is a criminal, then let him go to prison. If the court sentence him for death, then let him die through judicial process. You don't have any right to take a life of anybody. No, you don't have any right to take a life of anybody. So please share this video. This is not a video you will watch and leave. Just share the video. Let this video go viral. Let people get this information and let everybody stand up to fight against this particular thing that is happening in Imo State as we are speaking now. Thank you so much.